Here I have POCO M3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the accessibility section. To go to the accessibility, we firstly have to go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility. Then go to the vision, TalkBack, and here you can enable it. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts, and it talks non-stop.
TalkBack is a close button. Double tap to activate.
So here in the do not disturb mode, you can like tap any button and it will be like pronounced or something.
Next.
And to confirm any action, you have to double tap it.
Close.
Like this.
TalkBack. Back.
So you can disable it here, or you can just press and hold volume up and volume down for 3 seconds and disable this feature like this.
TalkBack off.
So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.